Hello everyone, my name is Ganesh Dundi. Topics Law of Insurance, General Principle of Insurance. Law of Insurance. Insurance law is the practice of law surrounding insurance, including insurance policies and claims. It can be broadly broken into three categories: regulation of the business of insurance, regulation of the content of insurance policies, especially with regard to consumer policies, and regulation of claim handling. Principle of insurance. First one, insurable interest. Insurable interest means that the person opting for insurance must have pecuniary interest in the property and he is going to get insured and will suffer financial loss on the occurrence of the insured event. This is one of the essential requirements of any insurance contract. Therefore, a person can go for insurance of only those properties where he stands to benefit by the safety of the property and will suffer loss, damages, injury of any harm takes to place such property. Second one, utmost good faith. The insurance contract must be based on good faith. If the insurance contract is obtained by way of fraud or misrepresentation, it is void. When an individual applies for life insurance, it is important to answer all questions truthfully and volunteer any information even if it not asked. If in doubt, just to disclose it. Failure to disclose the material facts could render entire contract void. Third one, material facts disclosure. In the insurance contract, the proposer is required to disclosure the insurer all the material facts in respect of the proposed insurance. This duty of disclosing the material facts not only applies to the material facts which are known to him but also extends to material facts which he is supposed to know. Indemnity. The insurance contract should always be a contract of indemnity only and nothing more. Insured can't make any profit from the insurance contract. Insurance contract means for coverage of losses only. Indemnity means a guarantee to put the insured in the position as he was before accident. This principle does not apply to life insurance contracts. The main object of this principle is to ensure that the insured is not able to use this contract for speculation or gambling. Contribution. In case the insured took more than one insurance policy for same subject matter, he or she can't make profit by making claim for same losses more than once. For example, Raj has a property worth rupees 5 lakhs. He took insurance from A worth rupees 3 lakhs and from B worth rupees 1 lakhs. In case of accident happens, he incur loss of 3 lakhs to the property. Raj can claim 3 lakhs from company A, but after then he can't make profit by making a claim from B company. Now company A can make a claim from company B to for proportional loss claim value. Subrogation. Subrogation is defined as a legal right that allows one party to make payment that is actually owned by another party and then collect the money from party that owes the debt after the fact. Seventh one, loss minimization. This principle states that the insured must take all the necessary steps to minimize the losses to insured assets. For example, Ram took insurance policy for his house. In an cylinder blast, his house burnt. He should have called nearest fire station so that the loss could be minimized. Causa proxima. Word causa proxima means nearest loss. An accident may be caused by more than one cause. In case property insured for only one cause, in such case nearest cause of the accident is found out. Insurer pays the claim money only if the nearest cause is insured. Thank you.